Hello everybody. I just got home from work and guess what has arrived? The rubber roof. Rubber roof has showed up from Rec Pro. It came folded, so I gotta take it out and unfold it so I don't get creases, and I'll roll it up. So hold on, let me get it out of the box and I'll show you what's going on. The unveiling of the package. We just opened it up. Let's see. There's the roof. And sure. Let me get something. Let's see. This will work. Say hi, Minnie. Okay, let's see what's in this box. I'm gonna say that's what I thought. It's the glue. It is the glue. Water-based adhesive. So, there's that. This should be the tape. Oh, nope. This is... It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So, this is going to be... Say hi, Minnie. Okay, here we go. All right. Come over here. Sealant. Okay. Got 4 of them. 4 of these. And then we got, oh, I didn't show you guys. I went to Home Depot and I bought all my wood 2x3s. There's 24. This is going to replace all the wood that's bad in the walls and the ceiling, all the rafters. Extra, obviously, but you know, because I got like a half a wall that was real bad and some rafters. So this is extra, but there's 24 2x3s. 60 bucks. It's not that expensive. Might as well just put fresh wood in there. Stand by as I take this out because I can't do it with one hand. Hold on. They got me out here rolling this up so it doesn't wrinkle or crease. It's a lot of work. Almost done. I'm trying to wipe off everything so it doesn't roll up and start tearing, putting a hole in it already. You know, $600 for this roof. So I'm trying to make sure it's all good. Stay tuned.